Venezie!
Channel!
Eccoci qua a Venezia, alle mie spalle la stazione, ma davanti a me l'immensa bellezza di questa città che ospita un evento di importanza internazionale, la Biennale di Venezia. Biennale che è stata definita dal suo presidente come un Parlamento di forme. Un Parlamento di forme che oggi risplende nonostante la giornata sia estremamente uggiosa e piovosa. Gli ultimi giorni, le ultime battute finali, seguite con noi questo evento, faremo molti e interessanti video emozionali, quindi non perdete questa occasione. Venezia Channel, follow us. Nel film Amore a prima vista si diceva Venezia, la magica città dove la gente viene a cercare tutte quelle cose che non riesce a trovare in alcun'altra parte al mondo. Ebbene, quello che noi oggi troveremo qui sarà un evento di respiro internazionale. Stiamo parlando della 56esima edizione della Biennale di Venezia. We are here with the great and one of the most important Israeli artists, Tzibi Geva. And can you tell me something about your project, your idea?
Yeah, first, my whole project is kind of site-specific. I mean, I built a plan for the whole building as site-specific. I mean, so it's fit for the architecture. And so the outside and the inside reflect and work together. And so you can see things outside. I covered the whole building with used tires. But you can see it also from the inside. So the in and the out is now in very complex relationships, yes. And it's turned from place to place.
Yes, and something about these paintings, because are particular, original, and a little bit unknown. I don't ever seen.
Yeah, those works are a combination of abstract and figurative elements.
Okay.
I combine together many different kinds of elements. Part of it is, for example, like you see there, is referred to my terrazzo works, which is very typical to the works that I did in the 90s. I put together many elements in kind of chaotic relationships. Include figures which make their kind of relationships which speak about domination, about relationships, about maybe even pornographic relationships. So it speaks about the human society, about politics in a very general way.
And these themes are related to the theme of the entire Biennale.
Yeah. Even so, I didn't make those works specific for the Biennale. I mean, I made them before, yeah. But I combine it. Of course, I choose to show them here, and to combine it with the other parts which are more sculptural and special for the Biennale. Yeah, of course.
and sit down. And sit down.
Merci. Je vais commencer, puis peut-être mes amis vont poursuivre. Notre projet, c'est d'offrir des expériences très différentes. On aime ça beaucoup, faire des installations immersives, créer des lieux. Et puis les gens entrent dans des lieux. C'est toujours quelque chose qui nous a captivés, qui nous a passionnés. Donc, à l'entrée, pour accueillir les visiteurs, on a décidé de faire un petit dépanneur qui est un convenience store en anglais, un magasin du coin. Et puis, on aimait beaucoup l'idée de surprendre les visiteurs avec quelque chose de semblable, parce que lorsque les gens arrivent dans des pavillons, mais ils ne s'attendent pas du tout à se retrouver dans un petit commerce. Et l'emplacement du pavillon aussi, entre l'Angleterre et l'Allemagne, avec le petit café qui est là derrière, on trouvait qu'il y avait possibilité qu'il soit très plausible aussi, le petit commerce. Donc, c'est ce qui en est pour l'introduction, disons, du pavillon. Je vais perdre mes mots, ils peuvent continuer. Je suis perdu.
Très joli.
Je continue, moi. Après le dépanneur, on voulait comme non-art. Like, is it art or not? It's a good feeling for BGL. And after that, we offer... Hey, je parle en anglais?
Oui.
Je vais switcher au français. Après, on a voulu agrandir le pavillon, parce qu'on le trouvait petit. On a fait une rallonge, on appelle ça, avec laquelle on voulait créer un lien avec intérieur-extérieur, avec les fenêtres. Puis, on voulait jouer avec les fenêtres du pavillon qui étaient immenses, big windows. Puis, au début, on voulait faire des vitrails, on ne savait pas trop. Quand est venue l'idée de faire tomber de l'argent dans les fenêtres, on était vraiment emballés. On s'est dit, OK, on pourrait créer des réseaux avec les studs, metallic studs, créer des réseaux dans lesquels l'argent pourrait se trouver un chemin jusqu'aux fenêtres.
Pardon, is the sound important in your project? The sound, because if there is a windy day, for example, is the sound important?
Yes, with the curtain. Yeah, it moves with the wind, but it makes more sound when it's windy.
Yeah.
Also the coins, and also in the store we modified. We have two sound. One from the fridge. It's not real. One it's fake, and also under the neon, the second fluorescent second one. We have a buzz there, and we had this also. So and when the coins falling on the window, also it's a song. And in the studio you have the radio. I don't know if it works today.
Hey, c'est vrai?
Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Yeah, but we have to. Yeah, we like this atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere.
I love your work, really.
Thank you.
In my opinion, is okay. Can you say hello to the camera in an artistic way, particular way, your way? Rock.
Shut up. Sit down.
Arrivederci.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Dandovi appuntamento alla prossima puntata, vi lascio con una chicca del nostro archivio. Dalla Biennale 2013, il Padiglione Russo, un pot-pourri di immagini evocative.
It's spectacular. And she loved the Russian pavilion.
It's a very fine exposition because Danae, it's important also for me. I'm also an artist.
What did you think of it? Yeah, it's nicely done, nicely executed also.
It's very, very positive. I like it because I didn't expect it. Yeah, it is very humorful to say so.
The Russian exposition, I like it so much.
You like it?
Yes, this is the 7th pavilion which I visited right now, and this one is really like you can feel something.
Мы подготовили книжку, посвященную столетию русского павильона и вообще русским художникам на Венецианской биеннале.
I guess that Vadim Zakharov did a gorgeous contribution to the pavilion.
Современная трактовка древнего мифа о Данае и пролившемся на нее золотом дожде.